Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey guys, it's time for some practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Tom。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today let's talk about something, again, very practical, going to the post office and mailing stuff. 今天要教大家去邮局寄信的一些实用话。
错，所以根本要教大家去邮局寄信的实用语。
邮局 that must be post office, 那是邮局咯。
错。
所以比如说我要买25元的邮票10张 I want to buy 10 25 NT stamps. If we had to break it down, 25元怎么讲
25元。
25元 And then if I want to buy 10 of them, 10张
10张
10张不是失踪咯，是10张咯。然后邮票
邮
票 Now when you go to the post office, perhaps it's a package. 有可能它是包裹 And I want to send it as a registered package. 这个包裹我要寄挂号，请问多少钱？那怎么问？
包裹我要寄挂号。
包裹 That's a package, okay?
我要寄挂号。
挂号就是
挂号
Okay, that's registered mail. And how much would it cost?
请问要几多钱？
这个常常听到啦。请问要几多钱？
错。
Okay, that's how much altogether. 如果这封信要寄限时的话 Express mail. 限时哦。Okay. Or just a regular mail. 平信。平信 Okay, so there's a lot of terms. Let's review all of them so you can get it straight when you go to the post office. Again, the post office, 邮局
邮局
Then you want to buy stamps
邮票
But if you want to buy 10 25 NT stamps, 要买10张25元的邮票。
我要买25元的邮票10张。
我要買25塊嘅郵票
10
張 Okay. And let's say I want to mail out a package, 一個包裹 And I want to mail it as a registered package, 要掛號 Okay. And 多少錢？幾多錢？我自己回答就好了。常常要問這句話。And the final two vocabs to teach right here is express mail, 限時 and regular mail, 平信 All right, that's our postal vocabulary Hakka lesson of the day. And that does it for today's practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
案子誰張來了？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.